Are you a computer science student, a software developer, or a researcher aiming to deepen your knowledge in natural language processing? Have you ever thought about how Google Assistant or Siri understand our language and wanted to learn the magic behind it? Or maybe you're a tech hobbyist who wants to discover the impressive world of AI and machine learning. Welcome to Natural Language Processing with Python training. In this in-depth training, you'll learn how to use Python to build intelligent systems that understand human language. This training covers everything from insights into text preprocessing to classic NLP models and deep learning paradigms. The best part? Our hands-on course project bridges theory and practice, empowering you to launch and succeed in any industry. Our learning environment is tailored to provide personalized support to each and every student. Our dedicated team of educators and tutors is just a click away, ensuring you get the guidance you need to excel in your studies. Are you prepared to level up your skills? Book a free consulting meeting with our knowledgeable experts and explore the best path for your growth.